Hi, I'm Adele. Quick intro. I've had a lot of followers start to become interested in the work that I do, and I thought I'd give you a quick introduction of who I am. My name is Adele. I am a Pilates qualified instructor for the last 20 years, if not more. I absolutely adore the biomechanics of Pilates, postural alignment. To me, Pilates is the foundation for everything you do. But not only am I a Pilates instructor, I am also a psychologist and an accredited coach. I host Wellbeing retreats over Europe, Spain and Greece. I absolutely adore creating space for women and gentlemen like you who need the time and space to relax, to reconsider what's going on in your life, what steps you're going to take next. So you don't have to be completely burnt out to opt to go on a Pilates retreat. You might consider yourself to be at a life stage, things that are going to shift for you in the next few years. For me, it's that empty nester syndrome, 3 teenage kids, a millennial and a couple of Gen Zs who are about to fly the nest. So lifetime change. I look forward to hosting my retreats, to being with like-minded people. I love the idea of kicking back, doing something for myself and making sure that I create that safe space so people can have that. Thank you for listening. My name is Adele.